Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Start by making sure your Sony headphones have enough power for a smooth connection. Then, activate their pairing mode. This often involves pressing and holding the power button for a few seconds until you see a specific light pattern, like a rapidly flashing blue light or alternating red and blue lights. This visual cue confirms your headphones are ready to connect to a new device. Now, let's prepare your Surface Pro. Open the Start menu and click on the gear icon to access settings. From there, find and select Bluetooth and Devices on the left side. It's crucial to confirm that the Bluetooth feature is enabled. Simply toggle the switch to the on position if it isn't already. This step ensures your Surface Pro can discover nearby devices. With Bluetooth active on your Surface Pro, click the Add Device button. A new window will appear, offering several device types. Select Bluetooth to proceed. Your Surface Pro will then scan for nearby discoverable devices. Look for your Sony headphones in the list that appears and click on their name to initiate the pairing. This should establish the connection. If you encounter any issues, a simple restart of both your headphones and Surface Pro can often resolve minor glitches. Also, confirm that your Sony headphones aren't already connected to another device, as they typically only pair with one at a time. For the best experience, regularly check for and install any available Bluetooth driver updates for your Surface Pro.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.